What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok to massively grow your brand and following. Now the cool thing is I'm going to show you how to grow your brand, but more importantly how to build a business using TikTok. I'm going to show you everything step by step. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on digital marketing, how to start your online business, how to drive traffic, anything like that. So if you are interested in that, please subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started with the video, guys. All right, so going back here, so I did a video about this about a month ago, and it did very well. I've had a lot of people seen success with this method. Now I'm going to recap this video, and I'm going to basically make this video better and give you guys even more insights on how you should set up your TikTok, why you should be using TikTok, and my main strategy on how I'm using TikTok to grow my brand and following, and how you can even use it to make a ton of money. Okay, so first of all, let me show you some proof here about how I'm using TikTok. Okay, so you can see here, so first of all, I have a Facebook group, okay, with a ton of people. So you can see here, this is my Facebook group, and I have about 2,000 members here. Okay, now what's cool is I usually grow my Facebook group using YouTube, but here's the thing, look at this. Okay, so when people join my group, I ask them, hey, where are you coming from? And this was just the past few hours. You can see here, requested 5 hours ago. I say, how did you find this group? TikTok. Another one, how did you find this group? I initially found you on TikTok, then referred to your YouTube channel. Then I started the beginner step-by-step guide. Okay, so she found me on TikTok, okay, originally, and then YouTube. Okay, this one here, how did you find me? TikTok led me to you, and then I clicked on your YouTube link from there. So guys, very powerful. That's just a few people in the last few hours. You can see 5 hours ago, 7 hours ago, and 8 hours ago. Okay, so that's just like a few hours ago that this happened. Okay, but I'm getting a ton of these every single day. TikTok, and that's my Facebook group, guys. You got to understand, with my strategy, I'm using TikTok to send them to my YouTube channel. They're watching my content, and then from there, then they find my Facebook group. So I'm indoctrinating into my world. So now, obviously I'm providing a ton of value for people, but I can build that brand and following, which is very powerful. So I want to go through that in this video. Okay, let me show you my profile real quick. It's nothing special. I don't have a ton of followers. I mean, 8,000 is not bad for only being on the platform for maybe over a month now. I have 139 videos, and they're very simple videos. I'm going to show you exactly what I do in this video. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and move forward. Okay, so, oh yeah, I did want to show you this. So I did have a few viral videos. You can see here, this one had 256,000 views. This one had 26,000. This one here had 30,000, 25,000 here. So just, I just want to show you some proof here. If you do want to follow me, guys, my profile is actually Passive Income Lifestyles, just like my YouTube. You can kind of see what I'm doing on TikTok. I will leave the link in the description below for that. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the strategy. Okay. So first of all, what is the main strategy? Okay. So I'm going to show you how to actually create everything and how to create your account, but I want to talk about the main strategy. Okay. The main strategy is not to really grow on TikTok. Yes, it is, but I want to get people from TikTok to YouTube because that's my main platform. Okay, YouTube is where I can really teach people, how to make money online, how to grow their online business. So if I can get people from TikTok to my YouTube, then I know they're gonna, subscribe, and then my brand's gonna grow. So that's the main goal. Okay, so you can see here in my analytics, I started my YouTube channel not too long ago. Once I started TikTok around this area, you can see I started growing a lot faster. Now, obviously, this is due to YouTube SEO and some other factors, but a lot of it was TikTok because I was tracking it. Okay, you can see here, external 13%. A lot of this came from TikTok, okay, which is very cool because now I'm growing, using an external platform, okay? So I just kind of want to show you some of my stats here just with YouTube, okay? But remember, I'm also growing my Facebook group, my email list as well, okay? So I'm not going to go too much into that part of it. I'm going to talk more about TikTok, okay? But I want to just show you kind of some proof on, what's going on and kind of my strategy behind everything, okay? Because with TikTok, you can't add an external link, okay? You can only add 2 links, okay? You can only add a link to your YouTube channel or your Instagram, okay? So that's one or two things. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, definitely use TikTok. If you want to grow your Instagram, use TikTok as well. Okay, that's the only two things you can add as far as an external link. And when I mean a link, so if I go back here, so right here, okay, so you can see it says Instagram, but it'll, when someone clicks on this link here, it's going to say, do you want to follow me on Instagram or YouTube? And, hopefully they'll go to my YouTube channel. Instagram, I am growing as well, but I'm focused more on YouTube. So you can see here, and I'll go back to this. But let's start with the strategy, guys. Okay. So, or how to set up your account. All right. So the first thing obviously is you got to create your account on TikTok. Okay. So you just download the app TikTok, you go to the, Apple Store or the Google Play Store and download TikTok, obviously. Create your account. Very, very easy. Just follow the instructions. But I kind of want to show you the strategy on how to set up the account more. So basically what I do is I add a nice profile picture, something that people can see your face, an up close picture of your face. That's always the best thing you can do. A lot of people just put random pictures. I would definitely put a picture of your face, especially if you're trying to grow your brand or your business. Okay. I mean, if you have like not a personal brand, if you have just like a, like a clothing business or something like that, I mean, you can still use your face, but I always recommend just using like a really nice profile picture. That's going to be like number one. Okay. All right. Here's something important. Okay. You want to add a SEO based title or SEO based bio in your profile. Okay. Meaning you want to add searchable hashtags and searchable words within that bio. Okay. Now, something really important in your bio. Okay. You want to add who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. Okay. That's very, very important, guys. I use this method to grow like 20 Instagram, like back in the day when I used to grow Instagram pages for people. This was the main thing. Okay. You want to like explain who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you in the profile. So the thing, it's kind of hard in TikTok because they only give you 80 characters. Okay. So you really got to get creative with this. So you can see here, okay, so who am I? I teach people how to make money online, okay, as a complete beginner, and then follow me on YouTube, okay? So I'm explaining all those things I just mentioned, okay? So if you can explain that, when people go to your profile, they're going to follow you, okay? So it's really important that you structure your bio based on those three things. Now, if you go back here, you can see that I added a hashtag here because all this is searchable, guys. If people are looking on TikTok, how do I make money online? My profile might show up on that because that's searchable, okay? And hashtags are very, I used to have a bunch of hashtags in my bio. I only have one right now just because it's really hard to get 80 characters right here. But you can see this is my bio right here. It's worked very, very well. I'm getting a ton of followers on TikTok. But more importantly, I'm getting followers to my YouTube and my Facebook page, okay, which is what I'm trying to do. Okay. All right. So let's go back here. So that's step one, obviously, is, create all that. And, once you create your account, you want to make sure you're set up before you even start creating content. Okay. Make sure your foundation is set, guys. Okay. I know you want to get into creating videos and stuff like that, but make sure your base is set. Okay. Okay, number two, this is important if you have a business, okay? Sign up for TikTok Pro, which gives you access to analytics, okay? Analytics is key, guys, to growing your business because it's going to show you exactly how many people are following you, where they're following you from, what time of day that, people are engaging with your content. You're pretty much going to have a ton of analytics for your account. Okay, it's very easy, guys. You just go to manage my account here in settings. You go to switch pro account, and it's absolutely free, guys. But you definitely want to do this because if you have a pro account, you can look at the analytics, and it's very, very important. Okay, highly, highly recommend it if you're growing your business and brand. Plus, the TikTok algorithm is going to push you further. Okay, so a little tip there. Okay, number three, guys, add 12 videos. This is like your first day. You want to just start adding content, okay? Add 12 videos your first day, and you want to follow 100 to 200 people per day in your niche, okay? Now, this is going to give you kind of a boost. Obviously when you're starting out, it's kind of hard to grow. The cool thing about TikTok at the moment is the organic reach is very high. So if you put out a video, then people are going to find your video just because the algorithm is very, very easy to kind of grow right now, okay? At the moment, okay? It might not be as easy later on, okay? But you want to add at least 12 videos to kind of show your profile out. And once you have those videos, start following people in your niche. Go to, hashtags or follow people. like say for me, like a lot of people that follow Russell Brunson, I would go and follow everyone that followed him, okay? And then, you know, they'll follow you back, stuff like that. So definitely do that. Kind of gives your account a boost, okay? You can do this for the first week, whatever you want to do. This will just kind of boost your account, okay? All right, number 4 is you want to write your TikTok descriptions to be discovered and go viral, okay? So you have 150 characters inside your TikTok description. So for example, if you're making a video, so let me go back here. So right here, okay, I have a video and I want it to go viral, right? So what you have to do is write a good description with a ton of hashtags, okay? Very, very simple, but a lot of people don't do this right, okay? So what you do is you want to write like a quick hook inside your description. Like for example, if I'm making a video on, you know, let's just say how to grow on TikTok, you know, I would just say how to grow on TikTok and then a ton of hashtags that are related. Okay. Hashtag how to grow on TikTok, hashtag TikTok growth, hashtag growing on TikTok, stuff like that. Okay. Now when you're first starting out, it's important that you know what the step method is. Okay. So what it is when you target hashtags, some hashtags will have like 1 billion followers, some will have 1 million, some will have hundreds of thousands. You have to understand you're not going to be able to rank for the really, really high ones, okay? So you want to start with what you can rank for. So if you're under 1,000 followers, look for hashtags between 50,000 and 250,000 views. Now what that means is, let's just say you search hashtag TikTok, okay? That's going to have like millions and millions of followers, okay? But if you do something longer like hashtag TikTok growth for teenagers or something like that, that might be in between 50,000 and 250,000 views. Now, as far as how to find these hashtags, you can literally find it on the platform itself, okay? So, you know, when you're posting it, you can, you know, you're writing your description, you type in hashtag whatever it is, it's going to give you how many people are searching for that, okay? So using the step method, if you're under 1,000 followers, you want to kind of stick with these rules here. If you're under 5,000 followers, you want to stick with these rules in this right here, okay? This is going to help you kind of go viral, okay? Because like I said, if people right away try to go for the big hashtags, the ones that have millions and millions of followers, now that's okay. You can still add some of those in there, but you still want to add the hashtags that you can rank for first. And as you grow bigger, as you start growing, you can start ranking for these bigger hashtags, okay? So here's an example of one of my descriptions here. You know, how to make money online by watching videos. And then this is kind of the hashtags I used here, okay? So this is just kind of a quick overview of my description, okay? You only have 150 characters, so you got to make it really, really, you know, you got to grab someone's attention. And you got to make it where it's searchable. And this is where it makes it searchable right here, okay? The hashtags. And then that's it, guys. You rinse and repeat. That's pretty much it. I mean, very simple, but I want to give you guys a clear strategy on what I'm doing and how I'm growing my following with TikTok. It's really been awesome to grow my TikTok grow my YouTube channel using TikTok. And I've seen a lot of people do it. Like literally people that had 0 subscribers were growing their YouTube channel just with TikTok, okay? Which is pretty cool. So actually I haven't posted very much in a while just because I've been focusing more on YouTube. But my videos now are still bringing in people from TikTok to my YouTube channel and my Facebook group and etc. as you can see. So my strategy in a nutshell, my TikTok videos, you know, I'm getting them from TikTok so people can click on my YouTube channel. And then same thing, if you have an Instagram, say you don't want to do YouTube, you can go, you know, from TikTok to Instagram, and then from Instagram, they can click on your product in the description. You know, in Instagram, it does let you have a link, but you can have them go from Instagram to your link or whatever you want to do. Okay, so you got to figure out your strategy going into this. I always tell even my one-on-one students, like, you know, we come in here and we start talking, and like people just don't have that strategy, guys. You really have to have that strategy on how you're going to grow your business. Okay, I mean, basically, I mean, I won't go too much into this, but my strategy is creating content, which is YouTube. Okay, from YouTube, I give people free stuff. So I have a ton of free stuff that I give people, you know, in my YouTube links. And from there, you know, I'm building my email list. And when I build my email list, I can start promoting my products, which is affiliate marketing. So that's how I'm making money, guys, is with affiliate marketing. That is what my channel's about. But you know, the most important thing with affiliate marketing is driving traffic to those products so you can make more money. So that's why I make videos like you know, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on TikTok, because that's driving more traffic to your brand, and from your brand you can grow your list, and from your list you can promote those products. So that's basically the strategy. I will make a video about my whole strategy kind of broken down, because guys, if you have a good strategy online, you can make a ton of money. I mean, before I had 1,000 subscribers, I was making $10,000 a month. Okay, so you can imagine the money I'm making now with only 4,000. Okay, or almost 4,000 subscribers. Okay, and I'm a very small YouTuber, but I know how to monetize. I know how to make money online. So I want to help you guys make money. You don't need a ton of followers, guys. You just need a very small but active following. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If you are interested in that, please click the first link in the description below. That's going to give you a guide to my number one recommendation on how to make money online and how to start affiliate marketing. That's how I make my money, guys. So anyways, I hope this video was of value. Please like this video. Give me a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on TikTok, guys, Passive Income Lifestyles. Check out what I'm doing. And I would love to connect with you, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook group, whatever it is. So anyways, guys, thanks again. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.